Welcome to my dear students. Once again, let's start. Today's topic is packing efficiency. What? Packing efficiency. Before discussion about packing efficiency, first we know about what is the number of atoms for the body centered, simple and face centered cubic lattice. First we have to calculate the number of atoms for simple, body centered and face centered. For simple cubic unit cell, the number of atom is 1. For body center, that is 2. And for face center, that is 4. As we discussed in the previous class. Calculate the radius of atom for simple, body centered and face centered. That is the distance between, that is the distance between nearest neighbor atom, nearest neighbor atom is the distance between nearest neighbor atom. The distance between a nearest neighbor atom, that is d, which is equal to, formulaically we can write the relationship between distance and radius is d is equal to r by 2 or r is equal to 2d. That is the distance relationship between the distance between nearest neighbor atom and the radius for simple, body centered cubic, face centered cubic crystal. Let's calculate the distance between nearest neighboring atom. First, I am drawing 3 diagrams. Mark it. One is for here, this is for simple cubic crystal, for simple cubic crystal. Next one is for body centered cubic crystal. This one is for body centered cubic crystal. For simple cubic crystal, the distance between the nearest neighbor means this one is a unit cell, this one is a unit cell. Every corner contain an unit cell in simple cubic crystal. So the distance between the two nearest neighbor atom means this edge length of the cube. For we can write for simple cubic crystal, for simple cubic crystal, the distance between two nearest neighboring atom is the edge length of the cube. Is the edge length of the cube. Then the distance d is equal to, let the edge length of the cube is a, where a is the edge length of cube and d is the distance between atom. Here we find that d is equal to a. So from the formula, as we have discussed previous, radius of atom, radius r is equal to d by 2. Here the value of d is equal to a. That implies r is equal to a by 2. So we find that the radius of atom For a simple cubic crystal, that is R is equal to A by 2. Means radius is equal to A by 2. For simple cubic crystal, we find that R is equal to A by 2. This is for simple cubic crystal. Next, go through the body centered cubic crystal. Go to body centered cubic crystal. Here also in this case, these are the corners of the unit cell, cubic unit cell. Body center means there is another center in the body part. If the distance between two neighbors that is connected to the center of the body, go through the center of the body. So for body center cubic crystal, here is one sphere, here is one sphere, and another one is, this is the spheres, three spheres. So for body center cubic crystal, let name them A, B, C, D, and connect to this corner also, AC, for body center cubic crystal, or BCC. Then here for BCC, the distance between the nearest neighbor, distance, this is the distance, that is AD. The distance between nearest neighbor D is equal to AD divided by 2, means this is also one neighbor. So the distance between two nearest neighbor is equal to D is equal to AD by 2. The formula, remember this formula, D is equal to AD by 2. So see this diagram. In A, B, C, in triangle ABC, remember this triangle A, B and C. In triangle ABC, this angle is 90 degree. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. We know that the edge length of the cube is equal to A, means BC is equal to A and AC is equal to we can calculate the value of AC. AB and BC is equal to A. This is A square, this is A square. That implies AC square is equal to 2A square. That implies AC is equal to root 2 into A. The value of AC, we find that root 2A. This value is root 2 into A. This value is root 2 into A. Next, we have to calculate this value AD, so that we find the distance between the atoms. Take this corner AC, take this triangle ACD. Again, in a triangle ACD, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. That implies AD square is equal to AC square is 2A square plus CD square means the edge length, that is A square. That implies AD square is equal to 3A square and AD is equal to root 3 into A. Fine. I can find the value of AD is equal to root 3 into A and AC is equal to root 2 into A. Put the value of AD, this value AD is equal to root 3A in the distance value, so that we find the value of the distance. So the value of the distance will be That implies distance d is equal to AD by 2, that is root 3a divided by 2. AD is root 3a, that is root 3a divided by 2. Find the radius. From radius formula, radius is equal to d by 2. We know that radius is equal to d by 2. Radius is r. Then the value of d is root 3a by 2. That is root 3a by 2 whole divided by 2. That is root 3 by 4a. This is the radius of atom for body centered cubic crystal. For body centered cubic crystal. This is the radius of the atom. Similarly, we can find the value of radius of atom for face centered cubic crystal. This body centered cubic crystal is little bit important. In case of face centered cubic crystal, I am drawing a cube for face centered cubic crystal. This is the cube. Then the face centered cubic crystal means I am taking, this is the corner, this is corner, this is corner, this is. I am taking this face only. So this is for A, B and C. I am taking this corner with this face. This is the face center. For this face, the edge length of the cube is A. So, if we take this diagonal, connect it to the face center, then here is the center of one sphere, another one is here, and another one is here. This is the centers. So, for face centered cubic crystal, this value means nearest neighboring atom is equal to this BC divided by 2. Means the distance between the nearest neighbor, distance D is equal to BC by 2 as shown in the diagram. This is the nearest neighboring atom. This atom and this atom means nearest neighbor. So this value divided by 2 is the nearest neighboring atom. Distance is equal to D is equal to BC by 2. So we can calculate the value of BC from the triangle ABC. Take the triangle in triangle A, B and C. The angle A is 90 degree. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. That implies BC square is equal to the value of AB and AC is edge length of the cube, that is A square. That it implies BC is equal to 2A square. And again BC square is equal to 2A square. BC is equal to root 2 into A. The value of BC is root 2 into A. So that we can find the distance, that is BC by 2. The for face centered cubic lattice, distance D is equal to BC by 2. That is the value of BC is root 2A. Root 2A divided by 2. That is A by root 2. Then the distance is equal to A by root 2. For which unit cell? Face centered cubic unit cell. Again, the radius formula, radius R is equal to D by 2. That is A by 2 root 2. This is for face centered cubic unit cell. Remember these three formulas, these three values, that is for face center, body center, and simple cubic unit cell. For face center cubic simple cubic unit cell, radius is equal to A by 2. For body center cubic unit cell, radius is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. For face center cubic crystal, radius is equal to A by 2 root 2. Calculate the value of A. A is equal to 2R. A is equal to 4R by root 3 and A is equal to 2 root 2A. This is the formula and this is the derivation of total derivation of the number of atom calculation or distance between two nearest neighbor for simple body center and face center cubic. From this radius and the edge length value, we can easily calculate the packing efficiency for simple body center and face center cubic crystal. Let's see the packing efficiency. How can we calculate the packing efficiency? There is a formula that is for packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Remember the formula. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by the particles in the unit cell. That unit cell may be simple, may be body centered, may be face centered, divided by total volume of the cubic unit cell, total volume of the cubic unit cell into 100, means packing efficiency expressed in terms of percentage. This formula is important. Remember this formula and these three values. Then you can easily calculate the value of packing efficiency for simple body centered and face centered cubic crystal. Then for simple cubic crystal. For simple cubic crystal. For simple cubic crystal, volume occupied by the unit cell. For simple cubic crystal means number of atom. Number of atom is 1. Means there is one unit cell. So simple cubic is one unit cell. One unit cell volume occupied. Volume occupied is equal to how much? That is volume occupied for one sphere, that is one sphere, for one sphere, volume occupied for one sphere, that is for which? For simple cubic crystal. There is number of atom is 1, means there is one sphere situated in the cubic unit cell. So for volume occupied for one sphere is equal to 4 by 3. The formula of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, means 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1. One sphere means into 1, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube volume occupied for the sphere. Then the total volume of unit cell. Total volume of unit cell is cubic unit cell formula is A cube, means edge length is A. So for simple cubic crystal, the value of R is equal to A by 2 or A is equal to 2R. That is AQ is equal to 2R whole cube, that is 8R cube. So put these two values in this equation, that is packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by one sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8 r cube into 100. 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8 r cube. Volume occupied by the simple cubic unit cell, that is 8 r cube. The value of this is 52.36%. For simple cubic crystal, the packing efficiency is 52.36%. Like, you can calculate the value for packing efficiency value for body centered cubic crystal. Remember, for body centered cubic crystal, the value of A is equal to 4R by root 3. The value of A is 4R by root 3. So, volume occupied by the particles in body centered cubic crystal means number of atoms or spheres situated in body centered cubic crystal, that is 2, means there is 2 spheres situated. So for body centered cubic crystal the number of atoms is 2. So then the volume occupied by 2 spheres is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 8 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume occupied by body centered cubic crystal. Then the total volume of the unit cell, A is equal to 4R by root 3, means volume of unit cell is equal to AQ. The value of A for body centered cubic crystal is equal to 4R by root 3. Then that is 4R by root 3 whole cube. This is 64R cube divided by 3 root 3. Put these two values in the formula like simple. This is equal to volume occupied by the particles for body centered cubic crystal, that is 8 by 3 pi r cube whole divided by the value of a unit cell volume, that is 64 r cube divided by 3 root 3 into 100. If we calculate these values mathematically, this is 68%. We can find the value of packing efficiency for body centered cubic crystal, that is 68%. Next we calculate for FCC, means face centered cubic crystal. For FCC, the value of A is equal to 2 R root 2. The value of A is equal to 2 R root 2. This is the value of A's length. A is equal to 2 R root 2. For face centered cubic crystal, the number of spheres or the number of atoms is equal to 4. Then volume occupied by 4 spheres. Volume occupied by 4 spheres is equal to 4 into sphere, the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 16 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume occupied by the spheres in FCC. So the total, and again the total volume of unit cell is equal to, that is AQ. Here the value of A is 2r root 2, means 2r root 2 whole cube, that is 8 16 root 2 r 16 root 2 r. These are the two values. Put these two values in the packing efficiency formula, that is here volume occupied by 4 spheres, that is 16 by 3 pi r cube whole divided by 16 root 2 r cube, 16 root 2 r cube into 100. If we calculate these values, this value is 74%. Finally, we know that for the value of packing efficiency, for simple cubic crystal, that is 52.36%, for body center cubic crystal, that is 68%, and for face center cubic crystal, that is 74%, where the relationship between the radius and edge length is equal to r is equal to a by 2, and here r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a, and here r is equal to a by 2 root 2. These are the values. This is the packing efficiency value, and this is the relationship between a radius and edge length and radius. Remember these values, this will come into an exam. So please see and try to understand all these things very carefully. See full the video, not halfly see the video. Please see all the videos and go through the channel, subscribe this channel, like and share. Thank you to all of you. Thank you my dear students, and stay safe, stay healthy, be careful, use mask and use sanitizer. Stay safe, stay with your family at your home. Thank you.